Hello everyone. With Ganesh Chaturthi around the corner, here's a traditional Mangalorean dessert, Moong Dal Payasa or Payasam. This dish is an integral part of Mangalorean culture. It is an essential dish prepared during festivals like Ganesh Chaturthi, Janmashtami and Dashera. It is a must-have dish in every Mangalorean festive spread. So let's make Moong Dal Payasa. In a bowl, add half a cup of Moong Dal. Rinse it with water a few times, discarding the water after each rinse. Once cleaned, add fresh water and let the moong dal soak for at least an hour. In a separate bowl, add 1/4 cup of sabudana. Add water. Rinse it well. Drain the water, then soak the sabudana in fresh water for at least an hour. After soaking, transfer the moong dal to a pressure cooker. Add around 1.5 cups of water and cook for 3 to 4 whistles until the dal is soft. Once done, set the cooked dal aside. Heat a thick bottomed pan and add some ghee. Once the ghee melts, add dry fruits of your choice. I am using cashews, almonds and raisins today. Roast them until they turn golden brown. Set the roasted dry fruits aside. In the same pan, add cooked moong dal along with a little water. Mash the dal well to get a smooth consistency. Now add 1.5 cups of coconut milk. If you'd like to learn how to make coconut milk, I have included the recipe link in the description box below. Now add soaked sabudana and jaggery powder. Mix well until the jaggery dissolves completely. Add a pinch of salt and let the mixture come to a gentle boil. Now add the roasted dry fruits and cardamom powder. Mix everything well. And that's it, Moong Dal Payasam is ready to be served. This rich creamy dessert is perfect for any festive occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.